Oh, Ratan Moniria.
Ini rasanya amalah. Terus Shiv Mandri kaya tau. Dan dalam ini bawah dia. Raja yang berada.
We're not sure about Mizuram government. Somebody had put some construction material where the TSR people are going inside. That was last year, not this year.
They don't become. What demi sungai apa tu lagi? Kota
इसको क्लैरिटी भी नहीं है कि कौन कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकते पर्सनल है सर 35 years sir पर्सनल only been
नहीं बड़ा धीरे नहीं थोड़े डिपार्टमेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन फैलती कोई क्लॉज में बाने के डाक बंगला देना कोई है और इसका
पर हमारा भी आएगा so people from all around will come if there is something constructed here. Sir, actually one good watchtower can be also developed. Good watchtower and sir one hall, sir, with biodiversity and how the tribals are living, their culture, their art, and also that is important. And sir, these people can work. Yes, sir. This it will not take much time. Nice center.
오늘 나가이 또 하. 아우 밖에 오늘 봐.
문제는 부파시방 야구서 cross가요.
cross가요.
Skankara torsuto na to.
2007 에 좀 뛰던 게
사실 삼팔라이 상으로 없네. 이제.
네. 2007 에 좀 뛰던 게 또 문제로 부사이도.
mana
2000 거래니 2007 거래가 그 뭐라고 감당 한 거.
mana orang mix ya. Bahasa Mizuram, dan Khwlaikha Tripura Chakma. Oh, hana dan Konpui. Orang suka Mizuram Konpui, Tripura Konpui. Ini soalnya mana? Nah tahu lagi.
आपको थोड़ा रिस्क नहीं लेनी लीजिए बट जहाँ भी कोई लोग तो जा रहे हैं तो रिस्क अवॉइड कर लीजिए
Ini udah नीचे में ये डाल अरे ये ना सागर bro oh sar matam ram sab TV oh bro na pura na buddha mandir Tini angoro five mazak fake tini oro ting oro tin five defega tini local dam tong ani logi go ke balance sif bung pharjago ke local name ke masung Sivraikhongo hai hunjago obo tini tiprani bisingo tongo obo kuno doubt kori abar bagi ang personally ageu faika hai no hai ang kisa khanaka odaka kisa problem ngui tong kisa dispute ngui tongo tini Mizuram government bai abar bagi ang CM bai Khwlaikha tei orek boro Khwlaikha ke amo tini om hai ke visit khemani obo very important tini bagi sing saimano tini history sing saimano obo tini ha obo tini jaga obo kun doubt kori phia bacheng joint survey khlaigai Mizuram government bai Tripura government khlaigai te central government ni borona hawiseng obo sing immediately issue no dong sort out khainai
Sekte kaisa yang ka Jampui hill area na full dang sori ni kaisa part bo Mizuram bai naharjak tong Mizuram na andar thangi tong mana abo
bebona chung nai abo chung sasok maya abo chung joint survey khaina ba chung prostav kha dini Indian government as well as jekono border dispute ngai abo chung sin khaisong maya tin government of India home department as well as the Tripura government the Mizuram government by kissing Asok Khwlaikha ang kakawa abo immediately o problem minimize kainai. Today I personally came this place Belangsif, which we call, and also in local language we call Sivraikhongo. It is we have a history long time back. It belonged to our land, belonged to the Tripura state territory. But few days we have seen some confusion is there. Therefore, I personally take interest, and also with the consultation of the Chief Minister, I came up to visit this place. And I think within very few months we'll sort out the problem. We need a joint survey, and also we are clearly know that this belongs to our state land, Tripura land, and of course there are some historical background we have already. Therefore we are really wondered, and also I have found that some of the booters, they have a double booter here. I was told, and it should not be like that. That is single booter, but some places we have seen that there are double booter. They have also booter in Tripura, also in Mizuram, and that thing cannot be happened. We'll check that one, and hopefully this Belangsif place is belong to us. We have a history, and we also immediately will sort out this problem. And hopefully today a visit is very important, along with our DM and also SP and all the local officers are here. Our forest department is here. I hopefully will sort out the problem, and there should be no any confusion, because historically we have a proof, and we have a survey report stated that this belongs to Tripura. So there is no doubt at all. There is no any confusion. The people are a bit confusion regarding this matter. But I think very short time we will sort it out. And I personally know the history that this really belongs to our territory, Tripura. And we'll also consult with the Mizuram government as well as central government, and we'll finalize the issue very shortly.